Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all our Filipino USRNs. Nandito na naman po tayo for another topic and discussion sa ating one of the best town kids, kind corner, Sir Havan. Ayan, so ano po ba pag-uusapan natin ngayon? We'll be discussing about celebrating 1 year of working in town kids in New Jersey specifically. Hi Sir Havan, magandang gabi po dyan sa US. Kamusta po kayo, sir?
Okay lang po, okay lang po. Good evening, good evening.
Ayan. Parang ang lamig dyan, sir, no?
Yeah, definitely. Like
Ayan.
currently it's like 53 degrees Fahrenheit. It's getting colder now.
Ayan. So sana all, sir, kami until now naka-t-shirt pa din kasi ang init pa din dito sa Philippines despite bare months na, sir. Ayan. So thank you, sir, for giving us this opportunity para makausap po kayo ulit. Ayan, for
Ulit
the
po.
second time around. Ayan. And sir, bago I know yung mga nanonood nating nurses, they're very curious. Sino po ba yung nandito kasama natin ngayon, no? So papakilala ko lang po, Sir Havan Escamos, may we know a very quick story of your journey with Down?
Oh, all right. From the start, right? Okay. It was actually a very smooth process. Everything was really doing well. It started when my wife wanted me to like apply, look for some agencies so that we can come here to America. And what happened is that my wife saw an ad in Facebook. At first, like hindi ako naniniwala. Parang na maybe baka scam yan o ano. But yeah, she forced me to like send a message, and just like minutes, somebody sent a reply. It was pretty quick.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, during the conversation, I was amazed. Like I don't have to shell out any cash at all. I'll just submit my papers, and then I had my like orientation, and I thought like, oh, it's really real. So I continued the process, and I was amazed because they kept on sending me like message like send these papers, uh, submit this to us right now. It's pretty quick as long as I send it like after a day or two, or even on that day, they process it and then send me an updates from time to time. And I could have been here earlier, but due to some like documents that are missing, so yeah, it took me a lot of time. But if only I did submit it all, probably I'd be here like within 6 months from from the start when I signed the contract. So I do know town kids process really quick.
Wow, that's very good to know, sir. No, actually, lagi pong nababanggit sa amin, parang every time we asked our nurses, parang scam naman yan si Town Kids. Too good to be
Yeah.
true. Kasi po, back in the day, sir, nung current yung priority date, no, we are actually known of deploying nurse, no, ng ganun kabilis. Kasi nga, again, we process as much as we could. And you, Sir Havan, are living proof na talagang si Town Kids
Yeah.
nakakapag-deploy talaga ng mga nurses, no. And time flies, sir, no. It's been a year already, more than a year already, sir, working with Town Kids in the US, no? And syempre, you've
Mhm.
created memories and different experiences, sir, in the span of the year. May we know, sir, in that more than a year working in Town Kids, what changed in you as a nurse? Ano yung mga nagbago sa inyo, sir, back in the Philippines and now you're in the US working as a nurse?
Well, when I arrived here, I don't have any experience. Okay, I did have some like medical experiences before, but that was like 10 years ago. So I haven't taken care of any like pediatrics patient. But then during the process, there's like a training while I'm in Philippines. This class, and then when I arrive here, there's another training. It was held by Mom Jen Dinlan, and during the span of time as I was working, I gained confidence and I learned a lot. And right now, even having because right now I just like my wife delivered a baby just this October 1. So I'm not scared of taking care of the babies right now. Like everything's easy for me because during my experience taking care of like one patient, you're focused to one patient, so you'd gain a lot of like time to observe and learn. And yeah, right now I could say that I'm quite confident in taking care of kids with trach, G tube medications and all. So it's not really hard. It was quite hard at first. Everything is hard at first, but after like a week or two, everything will be like routine. Everything's routine. So yeah, from time to time you'd learn some things, but definitely right now I could say that I'm not scared looking at those like um ventilators and stuff. Before I was scared, like whoa, that's so scary. Right now, no, no, no. It's quite easy. And the thing with home care is that the family, you'd be you'd be what you call it. Now I'm lost in words, but um,
Mm.
you you'll be parang
Connected ba, sir, with the family?
yeah, you'll be connected and parang maging family member ka na din.
You'll
Yung
be
parang
part
ganun na
of the
feeling.
family. Mhm.
Yeah, parang magiging part ka na ng family. And it's so nice and it's fulfilling. And also seeing them that they're happy with your service, and the patient especially is getting healthier and healthier as time goes by. You'll be proud of yourself and feeling you'll feel fulfilled as a nurse. That's what I'm experiencing here.
Ayan. So actually, sir, no, the biggest advantage talaga working with kids, no, taking care of the kids is that you be like parang ikaw yung extension of hope nila, sir, eh, na parang, hay, andyan si Nurse Havano, so I'll get better. And that's why we do appreciate talaga our nurses, no, in the US. And nabanggit niyo, sir, you don't have current bedside experience, no, when we deploy you. Ayan, para po sa mga nurses
Mm-hmm.
natin na nanonood ngayon, na walang experience talaga totally in the hospital or tagal na, like 10 years ago nga si Sir Havan nun eh. Ayan. So si Town Kids po, kami pong bahala. We'll make sure naman na hindi ka namin bibigyan no, ng pasyente na beyond your skill sets talaga, sir. No? Tama po.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Ayan.
The,
And,
the town kids actually do matching. They'd match you to a certain patient that they know that you'd be able to handle it. So no worries that part.
mhm. Ayan, sige sir. Sir, may i-ask, ilang taon na po yung patient niyo kung okay lang malaman? Baka they're actually curious, no? Usually tinatanong nila yung mga age bracket daw ng patient kay Town Kids.
um, I was able to take care of like 17-year-old patient and also like 1-year-old patient. Yeah, 1 17. So the age bracket is really like wide. But then
Because,
it's probably almost the same, like in on how you treat and on how you do your cares. Yeah,
ayan. Kasi sir, sabi nila iba daw mag-alaga yung mga nurse na Filipino.
yeah. I've talked to one of my coworkers. Hindi siya Pinoy, and nung sabi niya, I love working with Filipinos. Like they work differently, and they appreciate us a lot.
Ayan. And sir, additional question, no, most of the concerns or minsan worry ng mga nurses natin, no, na nag-apply kay Town Kids is that um, baka daw yung not working as a pediatric nurse, no, usually. But in your work, sir, so far, you're working as a pediatric nurse naman fully talaga, no, sa bahay ng
Mhm,
patient. Mhm.
mhm. Yeah. Actually, I don't have any experience when it comes to pediatrics, and it scared me a lot. Like
Mhm.
they're pediatrics, especially like a year old patient, like they're so small and like
Very
delicate,
fragile, sir. Mhm.
agile, like that. But then as time goes by, I gained my confidence, and it was easy. And I noticed that I think I'm a pediatric nurse. Yeah, I
Officially,
noticed it
sir.
like officially, like I'm a pediatric nurse because like I'm loving my work. I love taking care of kids right now. I'm having fun taking care of kids. Like it's not like work, 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 and then that's it. But on my case, I get to play with the kids. They're easier to deal with, and
Mhm.
when the kids are sick, they have special needs, and if you just give your care to them, the only thing that they give you back is love. So that's the best part of my job. I love my
Wow.
job here. Yeah.
Kitang-kita naman, sir, no, and the way, like, you talked about it and you shared to us, no, it reflects talaga na sobrang mahal mo talaga yung trabaho mo, sir. And for the
Yeah.
next question, ayan, since nabanggit mo, sir, what did you enjoy most working with Town Kids, no, na sa tingin mo hindi mo kayang ipagpalit? Ayan.
Well, it's home care and it's one on one. It's easier. I'm only taking care of one patient at a time and nothing else. I don't have to worry when I go home. I don't have to worry of what happened to my other patient. What is my other patient okay? Something like that. I'm only focused to one, so I can give like uh specialized treatment to my patient, and I love it.
Mm-hmm. And
It's
sir,
easy. It's easier. It's easy.
ayan. So, again, yung home care, 1:1. Si Tower Kids lang po talaga nag-offer ng one patient per day. No, it's
Mm-hmm.
guaranteed, sir. Talaga. Kaya nga po sinasabi namin sa mga nurses namin, there's nothing to worry about kasi it's written naman in the contract, yung one patient per day. And iba kasi, sir, yung stress kapag multiple patients, di ba, sir?
Mm-hmm.
Iba
Mm-hmm.
talaga. And sir, kamusta naman po yung setup dyan? How was it working? No, with Town Kids, no, madali ba siya? Kasi maraming Filipino community, malaking community ng Filipino. Kasi I think the biggest fear right now is kamusta talaga yung mga nurses natin dyan? Can you describe us, sir, the setup, no, of the work or you personally, sir, the setup nung pagtatrabaho kay Town Kids? Paano ba siya talaga, sir?
Well, in my case, I live far, so I'm not in the Lakewood area. In the Lakewood area, probably there's a lot of Filipinos there. Right here, there's only like one, two, three, four, probably five of us here from Town Kids. But our life here is easy, like laid back, and the place is like amazing. Nature, I I love it here. And the community, when it comes to your work, though, when you need support, you just send a message. For example, my case manager, Miss A, even though I like send a message at like 1 a.m., who would have thought that she's still awake? She she like just send you a reply. Like I'm thinking, is she still sleeping at all? So the support is really good with my team. Yeah.
Mhm. And sir, masasabi mo ba biggest advantage din ba or one of the biggest advantage working with Town Kids kapag yung mga case managers Filipino and even the trainers Filipino?
Yeah, it's big advantage talaga kasi um you don't have to like think hard on what to say. Parang alam mo na yung culture natin Pinoy. So alam mo na kung paano may pag-usap, yung mga ganun. So easy to talk to and parang helpful talaga yung mga Pinoy nating mga leaders.
Mhm. And since, sir, you've been working for more than a year already, no? Mahigit isang taon, hindi naman po biro yan. Sobrang dami ng experience, ang dami na lahat na pagdaanan, sir, no? And it's never a smooth ride, no, most of the time. And sir, kung dumating man sa point, nagkakaroon ka ng concerns, no, with your work, paano siya in-handle ni Town? How was it handled?
Well, so far on my side, I haven't had any experience pa na ganun. But
Mhm.
yung town kids is like they have open doors. You can just walk in, go to the office, talk to the staff. They talk to you. Even the CEO, she's amazing. She's amazing. She's always ready to listen to your concern. And there was even this time wherein like they called us like by group by yun or yeah on our on our schedule it was like probably five of us. Like the CEO was there, just want to talk about your concerns. What's what are the things like you have any idea on what you can change with the management or how our nurse is being handled. She's open minded and she's always ready to listen. So it's not like in Philippines, like if you have like a head person or
Mhm.
CEO, like you can look up or like parang masasay ka, di ba? Pag makita mo, oh, nandiyan na si boss. But no, no, yung si Mindy, grabe talaga, saludo talaga ako sa kanya. Like, siya pa yung una na na mag-greet sa'yo, oh, hi, hello, how are you? Yung mga ganun, like, oh, amazing yung CEO namin. Yeah,
And
so
yun,
on my side, I haven't had any problems so far. So far, everything's smooth with me and town.
ayan. Yun nga po yung na-highlight namin, sir, no? Usually, pag sinasabi namin sa mga nurses namin, it's not usual for a CEO to sit up or to sit down, no, with the
Mm-hmm.
nurses, no? And for
Mm-hmm.
her to talk and reach out to you, kahit wala namang
Mm-hmm.
problema, just to ask for any suggestions, it speaks a lot kung gaano or ano
Mm-hmm.
talaga yung meron, yung management, no? And kung i-compare mo siya to different, sir, no, ma-highlight mo talaga yung kagandahan kapag yung management nakikinig
Yeah.
over sa you just complain and you don't receive anything in return. So ibang-iba
Mm-hmm.
talaga siya, sir. And masasabi ko sa mga nurses na nanonood ngayon, to all the nurses listening right now, it's way different kapag nasa US ka na and alam mo na yung management nandyan para sa'yo. Kasi yung iba, sir, one of the biggest complaint, they've been complaining pero they can't hear anything. No? Parang wala sila naririnig. And Miss Mindy, kahit wala pang problema, reaching out to the nurses,
Mm-hmm.
no?
Mm-hmm. Ito lang problema. Like, oh, do you have any idea on what you think that the company is lacking? Something like
Mhm.
that. Like, whoa, like for me, everything's okay already. Almost perfect. Almost perfect. Because we know there's no company that is perfect. But like how she handles her people, amazing.
Wow, that's good to know. And Miss Mindy, we're really lucky that you are the CEO of Town Kids. Na the way you handle nurses, way different po
Yeah.
talaga. And
Uh,
sir, with that, no, back in the day, sir, no, syempre, if we go, like, if we'd return back to the time, no, ano po yung reason, sir, kung bakit nag-decide ka na pumirma kay Town Kids? Na ito yung decision time mo na sign up with Town Kids. What made you?
um, firstly, town kids didn't ask me for like current experience. That's one thing. In Philippines, like alam mo na, may pamilya ako, so I have to take care of them. Hindi ko makukuha yan yung pay ko if magne-nurse ako sa hospital. maghihirap talaga kami doon.
Mhm.
Kasi if starting ka na nurse doon, parang mababa pa yung sahod. So nagko-call center na lang ako. So doon, I was able to like provide food on our table. But then, nung nag-apply ako sa ibang agency, sabi nila dapat ako may experience, dapat kahit mag current experience daw, kahit 6 months, yung mga ganon.
Mhm.
So, wala pa akong experience. Tas, hindi ko gusto na hospital, tapos maghihirap na naman kami. Yun, yung town kids, sabi, oh, it's okay. Don't worry, we will train you. We will provide training. You don't have to be scared. We will match you with patient that will really fit you. So I was like, okay, this is good. This is amazing. And I was thinking maybe it's a scam still. But then, here I am.
Parang gadulo, sir, no? Parang may doubts ka pa din. Pero,
Uh-huh.
syempre, sir, no, you working as a nurse, no, you get to handle life of the children. Dapat talaga may
Mm-hmm.
bedside. Dapat may experience ka.
Mm-hmm.
Pero, you, as a proof, no, the town kids really do deploy nurses even if they don't have any hospital experience. And you
Mm-hmm.
get to gain your experience na nasa US na kayo. No? So, yun po. Actually, Sir Havan is a proof already, no, na sa mga nurse na nakikinig. Kung takot ka, wala kang work experience, you don't even magdadala ko ng kids, Ma'am Janica, no? Nakakatakot. Pero, kayo po on your end, we're on your side, no? Lagi po kami nandyan. And,
Uh-huh.
as you can see, Sir Havan is enjoying his job. And sabi nga niya, nung nanganak yung misis niya, so easier to handle my kids now, no? Lalo siguro, sir, pag may sakit yung mga bata, no? Parang, don't worry.
Chill
Parang
na lang.
ganun.
Don't worry. Yeah, I've handled worse. So that's nothing, something like
Kahit
that lang.
nakapikit, sir, no? Parang, ayan.
Oh.
Ayan. Ayun nga po, but my next question, sir, nabanggit mo sa akin, hindi madali, no? Sa umpisa, hindi mo na madali agad, no, sir? It takes mastery, it takes experience for you to, like,
Mm-hmm.
handle your patients very well. Ask ko lang, sir, ano yung naging mindset ninyo? Working, di naman biro, sir, yung magstay ka for more than a year and still you're very happy with your job, no? Ano po yung naging mindset ninyo? Kaya po naging effective kayo as a pediatric nurse working in a home care setup?
Um, Purpose. Yung mindset ko. I'm a nurse, and my purpose is to take care of like people who are sick, who needs care, and like it's a fulfilling job for me, and I'm happy taking care of patients and then getting a feedback like our kids or the families are happy with the service that I've been providing. Yun yung mindset ko. And then kahit saan ako lalagay, I'll just do my best and enjoy life. That's it. Ano lang.
Yeah. So ano, sir, no, parang it's very important that you have a very positive outlook in life, no? Kasi again,
Mhm.
hindi nga siya laging masaya, sir, no? Kahit in life, no? Such thing is perfect life, perfect job. So, it's just all in the mindset, no? And kailangan
Mindset,
mahalin mo
yeah.
yung trabaho mo, sir, no? Kasi di ka
Uh-huh.
mamahalin pabalik kung di mo naman mahalin yung trabaho mo.
Mhm.
Ayan. And I can see, Sir Ravan, you really loved your job. Ayan.
Yeah.
And sir, no, ito po, without disclosing your patient fully, no, can you tell us or can you share us experience with you and your patient, no, na hindi mo makakalimutan?
Well, hindi ko makakalimutan talaga every time papasok ka sa room ng patient, tapos makita mo yung patient, marinig yung boses mo, tapos mag-smile na, tapos bibigyan ka pa ng kisses, nasa bed, gumagano na, parang gusto mong umuti na agad yung patient mo. Ang saya talaga ng work.
Eh sir, no, parang kahit all throughout your shift, sir, ano ka ba, morning shift ka ba or night shift ka, sir?
Night shift ako.
Mhm.
Binabalanse ko kasi yung family at work. So, yun, yung town kids naman, binigyan naman ako ng night shift kasi sabi ko doon sa training pa kung ano daw preferred ko na na schedule. Nilagay ko doon night shift, that's 12 hours. Yun, binigyan naman ako.
Ayan, so parang binibigyan pala kayo, sir, ng options, no? Or preferences
Options,
din.
preferences, yeah.
So talagang they hindi lang basta minimatch yung skills ninyo, but also your preferred schedule din.
Yeah.
Mhm. Ayan, so may work-life balance naman ba, sir, kay Town Kids?
Yeah, for me, I was able to do it. Yung schedule, pwede ka naman mag-request na na pwedeng isang straight na work, tas off. Yung mga ganun. Hindi na nga ako nagpa-part-time kasi yung patient ko need pa na ng isang nurse. So, ba't ako magpa-part-time? Doon na lang ako sa patient
Mhm.
ko. But still, Town Kids is open for nurses to get part-time jobs. Like, marami akong kakilala na nagpa-part-time din sila while working sa Town Kids. Yung mga ganun, diskarte lang talaga sa
Mm.
buhay.
Ayan. Sir, since nabanggit mo yung part-time, no, I was about to ask you that, no. Hindi kasi lahat ng agency, sir, nag-a-allow ng part-time.
Oh,
Siyempre, nakakontrata ka, sir. Gusto nila, focus ka lang sa akin, no. And Town Kids allowing the nurses, no, to have their part-time, it's a big thing. Kasi additional
mhm.
income yun, sir, no, and additional experience din.
Yeah.
Pwede ba naming matanong sa'yo, sir, personally, paano po payagan or ano yung mga kumbaga, kailangan gawin ng nurse para makapag part-time sila?
For me lang since I'm working as a Town Kids nurse, tas yung Town Kids yung nag-sponsor sa akin, dapat priority ko yung Town Kids. So, priority yung Town Kids, i-adjust mo yung part-time mo. Wag na wag gawing less priority yung Town Kids talaga. Yeah. Yun yung para sa akin.
Mhm. Pero sir, are nurses ba, are they allowed to like have part-times in the same industry working as a nurse?
I don't think so. You're allowed to work as a home health nurse to other agencies. But you can work as a nurse in the hospital though.
Mhm.
It's okay. In the hospital or facilities, you can do that. You can do that.
Wag lang home care, sir, no? Kasi conflict
Huwag
of
lang home
interest
care.
yan.
Conflict talaga
And I
yun.
don't think you would want to work in a home care other than Town Kids kasi 1:1 sit down.
um, naging easy nga yung buhay ko dito eh. Yung gano'n, naging easy na yung life kasi 1:1. So, for me, mas nagustuhan ko yung sa town talaga.
Ayan. So, ang tanong ko, sir, in the span of you working in Town Kids for more than a year, do you have any regrets, sir? Signing up
No,
at Town?
no regrets at all. If God allowed me to come here to America and be hired by Town Kids, then I'm supposed to be here. Supposed to give services to Town Kids patients. So it's God's will.
Yeah. So, thank you so much, sir, for that. No, ito na lang, sir, for the last. Do you have any tips para sa mga nurses natin na ngayon ayaw pa mag-start kasi retro? Like, do you have any like tips para sa kanila kasi ayaw pa nila kasi retro naman? Any
Well,
message?
yung tip ko talaga is sign up kayo, process your papers, prepare everything, because once the visa bulletin will be open, it will be very fast. Kalain nyo, nakuha ko yung yung visa ko, tas pinapalipan na ako sa Amerika after within like 10 days. Yun, ang bilis talaga. Like the papers and all, once it's complete. So sign up now, prepare your papers, and just wait, because Town Kids won't leave you hanging. Like they won't leave you there alone, like or even kick you out if they don't need you anymore. But yeah, sign up now and trust Town Kids, trust the process. They'll help you.
Yeah. Yan, thank you so much, no. Sana, sir, no, I hope and for sure after this interview, they would reach out to Town Kids and will be very happy to assist you. Ayan, sir.
So
Eto, sir, last na. Last na tanong na talaga, sir. How did Town Kids help you and your family overall?
Yung family ko, yung petition, kasama na yung family. Kasi ayaw kong ako lang mag-isa pumunta dito. Tas sila, parang next month, yung mga ganun. So Town Kids was able to process us all as a family. So we came here to America as one. And we were able to enjoy our lives here together. Yeah. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Our family is loving and thankful to Town Kids. And right now I have a newborn baby, and I believe he's gonna have like his own green card.
Yes.
No, not green card, but a
Citizenship,
blue
sir.
passport, citizenship right away. Me, we're still gonna have our green cards, but thank you, Town. Really, really, thank you so much.
Ayan. So, actually, sir, that would be all of the interview. And bago tayo mag-end, sir, no, baka may gusto kang kamustahin dito sa
Oh,
Philippines, batiin?
add on, add on ko pala. Like, if you're planning to have family here in New Jersey, wow, it's amazing. Like the support, man, the support. You just go to Facebook and there's even Filipino communities who just give their stuff to you and all. Like you don't have to buy any baby stuff. Like one of my neighbors here, Abby Cruz, she just like, okay, I'm not gonna use this crib. I'm not gonna take it all. So, ooh. In Philippines, you have to buy everything.
Yes. Kahit second hand, sir, no, bibilin mo.
Oh, okay, second hand, bibilin mo dito yung mga car seats and all. They're just giving it away. Amazing,
Okay.
and the government supports family as well. Like they give you food. Like
Mm.
they call it week, like women and child. Like once you get that card, there's a certain amount there you can go for groceries for kids. It helps a lot. And New Jersey is good for family.
Ayan. So, kung
So
may pamilya, don't hesitate, no? New Jersey, one of the best state in the
yeah.
United States. Ayan. Sige, sir, baka may gusto ka batiin, mga family members here in the Philippines?
Wala naman.
Baka magtampo, sir, yung mga kamag-anak mo dito sa Pilipinas.
Di yun magtatampo.
Ayan. So, again, so, thank you, Sir Rovan, for this conversation. Very light lang and very very calm lang ng usapan. No? And I hope our nurses would really see how good it is working with Town Kids. No? So, again, my name is Janica. I'm the recruitment supervisor of Town Kids. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Hanggang sa susunod po.